Class 10 children, today we will learn again some more important questions from chapter 4 linear inequation. So here I have a question where x belongs to R as well as x belongs to I. So in these two cases, how to make number line? And the question is 2x minus 5 is less than equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11. So as you all know children, you have to take one less than equal to symbol, first one, second one, that is case 1, and the second less than symbol we take second one, and third one will be in case 2. So my case 1 is 2x minus 5 less than equal to 5x plus 4. So as you all know, from all these values you have to find the value of x, and x finally should come to the left hand side. So here what I have done, as 5x is greater and 2x is smaller, I have shifted 2x that side, so that 5x minus 2x is 3x. So I am trying to avoid the minus value, that is negative value. Had 5x come this side, then it would be minus 5x. So with that, 2x minus 5x would give minus 3x. So to avoid that minus 3x, I shifted x that side. So 5x minus 2x, and I brought this 4 this side. So plus 4 became minus 4. So my result is minus 5 minus 4 less than equal to 5x minus 2x. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Because both are minus, so we have to add, and minus answer we will get. 5x minus 2x is 3x. But children, now x should be on the left hand side. So I will bring 3x this side, and I will take minus 9 that side. It is called interchanging. In interchanging, the minus will remain as minus and 3x will remain as 3x. But as the symbol was facing x, so when x came this side, the symbol should again face x. So that's why the less than equal to symbol has now changed to greater than equal to. That means symbol has changed here. Now if I remove 3 from here, then 3 will go and divide, and x greater than equal to minus 9 by 3. And if you cancel them, it is minus 3. So now our final result is x is greater than equal to minus 3. So as I always tell in my videos, if symbol changes in case 1, the symbol will not change in case 2. But if symbol doesn't change in case 1, symbol will change in case 2. This is a very important point to be noted down. Now I will write my case 2, these two numbers, that is 5x plus 4 less than 11. So now 5x, that means x is alone here, no x this side. So 5x remains here only, and 4 will go that side now. So 11 minus 4. Now 5x equal to 11 minus 4 is 7. So x less than, so 5 will go and divide, because 5 is in the multiplication form, it will go and divide. 7 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 2 comes here, you put decimal, you get 0, 5 fours are 20. So our final result is x is less than 1.4. So this is our result. Now both the case 1 and case 2 will make a single solution set. So first we will use for R, and second one we will use for I. That means in this question, with one question I am trying to do two number lines. One is for R, one is for I. So my final solution set will be, as you all know, we have to put x in the middle and both sides less than symbol, and out of these two, the smaller one will be on the left side, the larger one will be on the right side. So you can see minus 3 is smaller, because minus number is always smaller than a positive number, and 1.4 is larger, so went to the right side, minus 3 went to the left side. As you know, here there is less than symbol, so I put use less than symbol, but here it is greater than equal to symbol, but I am putting less than equal to symbol. The reason is the symbol is facing x, so x has come in the middle, so still the symbol is facing x, so meaning is same, but greater than equal to symbol has become less than equal to. And equal to why? Because there is equal to here in the minus 3. So why this greater than equal to symbol became less than equal to? I hope you understood, because the symbol has to face x, so still it is facing the x, and x belongs to r. R means real number, and real number, I have said you, every number, decimal number, fraction number, negative, positive, all numbers are real number. So I have drawn a number line. In the middle you can see 0, and I took 1 2 because the highest value is 1.4 here, so one step extra, 1 2, and minus 3, so I took minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now I will make circle on minus 3, and I will make circle on 1.4. So 1.4 extra line I have to draw because it was not in the number line. So imaginary way I have done 1.4. But you can see there is no darkness in this circle. There is darkness in this circle. Reason, when there is equal to, that side there will be darkness. Where there is no equal to symbol, there will be like this, no darkness. So we will join both the head of the circle and will dark throughout the region. So this is the number line of this case. Now same solution set, same thing. Here I am repeating, but here x belongs to I. So minus 3 less than equal to x less than 1.4, and here x belongs to I means integer. Integer means I have to take all positive and negative value, but I cannot take decimal values. I mean to say 1.4 cannot be taken. Integer cannot be a decimal number. So that means according to this solution set, I can say the value of x is greater than and equal to minus 3. That means minus 3 will be its value, and greater than minus 3 is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, but so on. But I took only up to 1. Why? Because the x is less than 1.4. So a number very near to 1.4 is 1. So that's why I have stopped at 1. So my solution set began from minus 3 and ending at 1. So that way my solution set is ready. You can see in R we don't make this kind of second bracket work, but here for I, W, N we have to make this second bracket work also, as x value is this. But for here we no need of doing in R. So now these plottings I will do in the number line, but you can see different number line compared to R. For I we have to put circle in every number. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So put circle in every number and make them dark. So this is the difference between the number line of R and I. Please note down it, very important children. Many children always make mistake. They do same number line for every question. No, only for R this type of number line. But for I, W, N number line should be like this. Please children see my video again and again and try to understand these questions. Thank you children.